Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to source product on CJ Dropshipping. In order to actually do that, you need to and once you have done that, you can see in here your dashboard, and in here you can see in here this icon, which is the second icon to the last or third icon to the last. From in there, you can see the sourcing. So head over and click on this sourcing right here. Then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see your sourcing list in here. Head over and click on this post sourcing request, and then from in there you should be able to see this new page right here on your CJ Dropshipping. Now you just need to enter in here your sourcing information, just think your products that you want right here, or you can also put in here individual products. So I have in here this product I want to add, which is from AliExpress. Now head over and then add in here the product title as well as a product image. For that, you have in here this image. Now you can head over and download that and then put in here a product image, but you can also use another image that you have from there as well. So for example, let's head over and then put in here an image and then put in here a target price. For example, for me, I'll head over and put in here 1,000, and then from in there scroll down until you can see the sourcing URL. So just copy this URL right here, add it right here, and in this you can see the description. So you need to put a lot of things in here, but make sure that it's actually really accurate right there. So copy the description, add it right here, and then accept similar products and click on this request for sourcing. So once you have requested for sourcing, it will take just a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your sourcing request in order to be approved. As you can see, my sourcing request right here has succeeded, but right now it's pending on the newly created one that I have. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try our best to answer. Thanks!